attention to it. Urgent attention. Then drugs. Sabi nila na pinapatay ko daw. Atin lang to, ha. Tapos, I'm talking to the rebels. Ito nga, usap ako sa MIMN. Pag hindi ito, puputok, papasok lahat. Sa any war, your enemy is my friend. Pang-apat is, I said, we are doing good, not really that good as we dream it, but good enough to, meron ako siguro, mas malaki maibigay.